We talked to 15 landscape design studios about their workflows. Here's a recap of their insights.
Our daily modeling work involves Revit, Rhino, SketchUp, and Blender. Therefore, cross-platform compatibility is essential in our workflow.
Batch importing placeholders from the modeling tool into D5 is essential for designers to position landscape elements and easily replace them with final models via a one-click process.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you
Landscape design extends past choosing plants, strategically utilizing materials alongside greenery to amplify a space's visual and practical appeal.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
D5 render'ı yaklaşık bir senedir kullanıyoruz. D5 tercih etmemizin ana sebebi yüksek çıktı kalitesiyle özellikle bitki çeşitliliği anlamında geniş bir kütüphane bulundurmasıdır.
D5's extensive asset library encompasses a diverse range from tropical and evergreen to coniferous, deciduous trees, and various shrubs.
So remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm
What impressed me most was the project nearing completion. The client was absolutely satisfied with the design. All the tree models from D5 were preserved. It proves that D5's models are of top-tier quality.
After finishing the initial model, SWA Shanghai office uses D5 Render, powered by real-time ray tracing solution, to adjust lighting and weather in real time, aiding in precise control over the atmosphere. You can experience the space in various climatic conditions, gaining insights into how plants and materials react on sun. Such practical wisdom enables designers to make educated choices and tweak their creations for peak efficiency.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
During the design phase, SWA Shanghai office's revise, render, report cycle with clients is streamlined by D5 and its GPU accelerated ray tracing solution, saving significant time on communication. With its real-time rendering capabilities, extensive library of landscape models and materials, and the ability to produce rapid yet superior quality results, this powerful synergy not only accelerates the decision-making process, but also significantly enhances the effectiveness of concept communication between professionals and clients.